Hey, it's Marco, and today I'm going to show you how to check call forwarding on iPhone. Before we begin, please subscribe to the channel because it helps out a lot, and like the video, it also helps me. So what you want to do is go to Settings, scroll down until you see your phone. Once you see your phone, click on it and you see the option call forwarding. Now you want to tap on that. As you can see, at the moment call forwarding is turned off, but if I were to turn this on, it will give me a new option, forward to, and this way I can forward any calls to the whatever number I type in here. And that's pretty much it. If you want to turn it off, just click on it again, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're still having some issues, let me know what is the problem down below and I'll do my best to help you out.